Hi, my name is Paul Harding, and I'm a personal injury lawyer, and I've been advertising on TV since 1992. And I have an 800 number, and most of you out there probably do, and mine is 1-800-LAW-1010. I even have a jingle that goes with it, and it works. But I think I found something that's going to work even better. Let's go back in time. At some point, lawyers didn't advertise, and then they sort of slowly crept into phone books and publications. Then the big move came, right? Everyone got involved in TV. Then the explosion hit. Now, every market in the country, lots of lawyers on TV. And you know what? Most of them have a vanity phone number. So it's crowded. And you want to get your number out there to be the one people remember the most. We all worry about technology that may leave us behind. Maybe all of a sudden, when we started, we were on the front end of something. But there's a thing that began in 2010 called a mobile dialing phone number. And I'm going to tell you about it. What is it? You never heard of it. I hadn't either. I'm not surprised. But you will, I guarantee you. Over 90% of the US population has a mobile phone. It's an integral part of their life. But let me share a story with you. In fact, let me ask you a question. Even better. If you left your house this morning and you were 4 miles away from your house and you said, oh, shoot, I left my wallet at home. I know where it is, it's on the dresser. I got a couple $100 in my pocket or even $50 in my pocket. I don't need my ID, I'm not going on a plane. It's likely you just continue on to work and you know your wallet's home, safe, and it would stay there till you got home at night and then you'd take a look at it. But I think if you left your cell phone at home on your dresser and you were 4 miles away, it's highly likely you'd turn around and you'd go back and you'd get it. In fact, call it what it really is. You'd never get 4 miles from your house before you realized that you left your cell phone. You're probably in the driveway, walking out the door, checking your text messages, checking emails. That's the reality. 500 million people accessed the mobile web in 2009. 500 million. That number is expected to double in 5 years as mobile web takes over the PC as the #1 way to get online content. The StarStar Law mobile direct response number is fully supported by all 4 major US carriers, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, and T-Mobile, giving over 228 million mobile phone users access to StarStar Law. We've established that you have a cell phone, and we've established that you're very committed to your cell phone. You love your cell phone, or at least you don't go anywhere without it. When people are under stress, when they have to make a decision to get legal services, they don't have a lot of time often to do a lot of analysis. They're going to go top of mind. And I based my practice on that for years. So 1-800-LAW-1010 is a number that most people in my community know. When StarStar Law came into my world, I fought it, but I had to admit it was better than my number. And the idea that somebody in my market would have that number and it wasn't going to be me, I couldn't sleep. Mobile response technology, what is it? It's a single source of contact using your phone. It's a phone call. You dial StarStar Law or *** 529, hit send, and it rings. Currently in my office, someday maybe yours. And you talk to people. And you tell them about your case. But after the phone call and before the folks pick up in my office, if you had it on vibrate, you might feel a little vibration. There's a text simultaneously sent to your phone. Now that text could be a link to my website, could be a link to a live video feed, it could be a chat. The technology is amazing. Let's talk about that text that I said you got while you were making that phone call to my office. And the text has a link. So you can hit that link and a variety of things can happen. But one thing that I had happen, which I thought was great, was it went directly to my website, where you'll hear the words web portal. But I had a website for years. And I spent a lot of money on my website. I've spent time and energy to get people to give me search engine optimization, or SEO. I've also had a pay-per-click where you pay, they bring up your rankings. But I haven't gotten a lot of cases from my website. I just haven't. This allows the website to literally get placed in their hand upon making the phone call. Owning this technology is inexpensive. And remember, it's an add-on. You have your 800 number or you have your phone number, and now you have StarStar Law in your market for your mobile users. It's easy, it's memorable, they're gonna love it. When I first became aware of the mobile direct response technology, the StarStar Law number, I knew that I had to have it. I knew it wasn't going to go away. It's going to be part of the future. You can either have it and bring it into your business, or you're going to have to defend against it. Thank you for listening, and don't let this technology pass you by, and call me on StarStar Law.